Hello dear students, let's do together the first exam from the school book. The first question, answer the following. Choose the correct answer. The first one, -1 to the power of 8 plus -1 to the power of 9. To make this, first the even power cancels the negative sign. The odd power, remove the negative sign outside the bracket. The first one, -1 to the power of 8, will be 1. 1 to the power of any number equals 1. Plus -1 to the power of 9. 9 is an odd number, so I will remove the negative sign outside the bracket. So it will be 1 plus -1. Any number plus its inverse equals 0. The second question. The image of the point -3 and 4 by translation x and y minus 4 is. Any point has two coordinates. The first one is x, the second one is y. To make translation, x stays the same and y, we will make it -4. So the x will be -3 and y, I will make 4 minus 4, it will be 0. So the image after translation is -3 and 0. Then set inside it 0. Space n. Belong, doesn't belong, subset and not subset. First, this is a set, so the answer will be subset or not subset. Let's think the natural numbers, n starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So 0 as a set is inside the natural numbers, so it is subset. Number 4, when tossing a die once, then the probability of getting a number on the upper face more than 6. The die, we have numbers on the die from 1 to 6, numbered from 1 to 6. We don't have any numbers more than 6, so the probability is phi. When the probability is phi, its number will be 0. He is asking about the probability, so the answer is 0. Complete the following. Number 1, absolute 5 minus 11 over 3. First, I will solve what is inside the absolute. 5 minus 11 equals -6. -6 over 3 equals -2. Then the absolute sign cancels the negative sign. The absolute cancels the negative sign. So the answer will be 2. And the other side is z. What is z? It is the set of integers, all integers, positive integers, negative integers, and 0. So 2 is an element. It belongs to z. The answer is belong. Number 2, if x plus 6 equals 2, x belongs to z. Means x belongs to the set of integers, to all the integers, positive, negative, and the 0. Then x equals space. To find the value of x, I have to remove +6. I have to make x in one side alone. To remove +6, I have to make the opposite sign of plus. The opposite sign of plus is minus. So in the other side, in the side of 2, I will make 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 equals -4. Number 3, in the opposite figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Then the area of triangle ABC equals space. Look at this rectangle. The properties of the rectangle is that each two opposite sides have the same length. It means 4 and the other side is the same, 4 also. He is asking about the area of triangle ABC. Let's revise together. What's the area of triangle? Area of triangle equals half or 0.5 times base times height. What is the base? The base is any side from the triangle, and the height is the line perpendicular on the base. And the word perpendicular means that it formed right angle on it. In this triangle ABC, this is the base, 4 centimeters, and the height is the line which formed right angle on it. So the base is 4 and the height is 3. So I'll make 0.5 times 4 times 3. Equals 6 centimeters square. Number 4, a box contains 5 white balls, 3 blue balls, and 8 red balls. all of them are symmetric. One ball is drawn from the box at random. Then the probability that the drawn ball is red. To get the probability of the red ball, we have to get the total first, the total number of balls. I have 5 white, 3 blue, and 8 red. I'll get the total first. 5 plus 3 plus 8 equals 16. To get the probability of the red ball, how many red balls do we have? We have 8 red balls. So to write the probability, I write first the number of balls he is asking about inside the question. He is asking about the red balls over the total number of balls. So the probability equals 8 over 16, and you have to simplify the fraction. From the properties of the fraction, that you have to simplify it. 8 over 16 equals 1 over 2. The third question. Find the result of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 divided 3 to the power of 2 minus 7 times 3. Here in this problem, I don't have any brackets. So I will solve first each one alone. That means I will write 4 times. I'll solve 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 means 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 9, then divided 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2 also equals 9. Minus 7 times 3. I wrote the new equation after solving the power. Then first I will start 4 times 9. I will start from the left side. Solve the first one. 4 times 9 equal 36. Then divided 9 minus solve 7 times 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. So the new numbers 36 divided 9 minus 21. Then I will solve the division first. 36 divided 9 equals 4. Then I will make 4 minus 21. Each step alone. I solve in this equation each step alone. 4 minus 21 equals negative 17. The second question. Find the solution set of the inequality x minus 2 greater than or equal 3 and x belongs to z. Okay, let's remember together what's the inequality. The inequality, it's an equation, okay, but it has the inequality sign. Greater than. What is the inequality sign? Greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal, smaller than or equal, and so on. So this is called inequality because it has greater than or equal sign. To solve this, I have to make x alone in one side. So I have to remove minus 2. What is the opposite sign of minus? Yes, plus. So I will move minus 2 and I will make in the other side 3 plus 2. So it will be x greater than or equal 3 plus 2. Then solve x greater than or equal 5. Greater than or equal means you have to take 5 with you inside the set. So the solution set equals set inside it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. It's an infinite set. The fourth question. A cuboid shaped box. A cuboid. You have to read what is the shape first. A cuboid shaped box with a square base. The cuboid has 2 bases. It's a rectangle or a square base. Its length is 10 centimeter and its height is 7 centimeter. It is a square base, so it has one dimension only. It has side length because its base is like a square, and the square has 4 equal sides. And the height is 7 centimeter. Calculate the lateral area. What's meant by the lateral area? Let's remember together. The lateral area means the area of the 4 faces, the 4 sides. And the total area means all the faces of all the cuboid. It means all the 6 faces. Here he is asking about the lateral area. Inside the cuboid, when I have a cuboid shaped, I have first to get the perimeter and the area to use them in solving the question. Perimeter here, I have a square base, so I have to make the perimeter of the square. Perimeter of square equals side times 4. The side length here is 10, so I'll make 10 times 4 equals 40 centimeter. This is the perimeter. then I will get the area of the base. Area of the base, again, it's a square base, so its area equals side times side. The side is 10, so I'll make 10 times 10 equals 100 centimeters square. Then the lateral surface area, let's remember the rule. How to get the lateral area? I will make perimeter of the base times height. The perimeter, which I got it first, which is 40 centimeter times 7 equals 280 centimeter square. If he is asking about the total surface area, the total surface area means the area of the 6 faces. Its rule is what? Its rule is lateral surface area plus 2 times base area. I will use the lateral surface area that I got, then I will use the area of the base and make it times 2 to get the total surface area. But here he didn't ask about the total. Okay? Number B, the circumference of a circle is 88 centimeter. Calculate its area. Let's remember together. What's the rule of area of the circle? Yes, area of circle equals pi times radius, or pi times radius to the power of 2. So to get the area, I have to get the radius first. Here I have the circumference. From the circumference, I can get the radius. Radius equals circumference over 2 times pi. This is our old rule. Radius of the circle equals circumference over 2 times pi. The circumference is 88, so I'll make 88 over 2 times 22 over 7. Radius equals 14 centimeter. Then to get the area, I will make pi times radius equals 22 over 7 times 14 times 14. Or you can make it 14 to the power of 2 equals 616 centimeter square. The fifth question, find the solution set of the equation. I want to get the solution. Set means the answer. The answer inside the set of the equation. 3x plus 9 equals 3. And x belongs to z. It means x from the set of integers. Okay, to solve the equation first, I have to make x alone in one side. To get it alone, first I have to remove the plus 9. What's the opposite of plus? Yes, minus. I will make 3x plus 9 equal 3. Then I will remove plus 9. It will go to the other side. 3 minus 9. I make 9 after 3. Don't write 9 minus 3. It can't be. Make 3 alone in its place after the equal. Then make it minus 9 equals negative 6. Then I have to remove 3, which is beside the x. 3x means what? Means 3 times x. To remove this 3, I have to make the opposite of times. To make the opposite of times, divide. I will make negative 6 divided by 2. Sorry, negative 6 divided 3. X equals negative 6 divided 3 equals negative 2. Is there negative 2 inside the z, inside the set of integers? Yes, because set of integers have positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. So the solution set equals set inside it negative 2. The following table shows the percentage of production of a factory of house electrical sets. Again, the following table shows the percentage of production of a factory of house electrical sets. This table, the device type, washing machine, the percentage 30%, the heater is 15%, the oven 40%, and the mixer 15%. Represent these data by circular sectors. Circular sectors means pie chart. To represent using a pie chart, I have to change each number to a degree because I will draw using the protractor. I have to change each percentage or each number inside the table to a degree. To change it, I have to get the total first. All these numbers are percent. The total percent of anything is 100. The total percent of anything is 100. So our total here is 100. To get the number or the degree of the washing machine, I will make 30 over the total, which is 100, times the total degree inside the pie chart. The total degree inside the pie chart is 360. So again, I will make 30 over the total percentage of this table is 100 times 360. It will be 108 degree. The second, the percentage of the heater. Central angle of the heater, 15 over the total, which is 100, times the total degrees inside the pie chart, which is 360, equals 54. The central angle of the oven, 40 over 100 times 360 equals 144. The last one is the mixer, 15 over 100 times 360 equals 54 degree. To draw this, I will make first use the compass to draw our circle, our pie chart. I will draw the circle, then I will draw a radius inside it. Okay, the first angle I have is 108. I will draw the first one, 108. Then remove the protractor, make a new base, okay, to draw the heater. Draw the heater on 54 degree. Then again, move the protractor to draw the oven, which is 144 degree. Then again, remove the protractor and make a new base, okay. The last one, which is the mixer, is already drawn. When you draw all the pie chart and all the angles of the circle of the pie chart, the last one will be already drawn. Just only check that the mixer is 54 degree. Just only check to check all your angles, okay? And this will be its shape. Thank you for listening and goodbye.